Okay, so now we're going to, in this particular section, we're going to make the ace. So we already have the code built from last time where all the cards go to the bottom of the screen when we click go. But now, additionally, what I want to happen is I want to move the ace to the bottom of the screen, wait 5 seconds and say, try to find me, and then flip over to the back of the card. So how do we do that? Well, the first part's kind of easy. We can make the ace say, try to find me by clicking looks. And over here, there's a button that says say hello for 2 seconds. So I'm going to move this over here. But instead of saying hello, I'm going to say try to find me. I'm going to have him say it for 5 seconds. So now when I click play, oops, I did that for, actually did that for the Queen of Hearts. I don't want that. So I'm going to delete this. I want to do this for the ace, because we want to try to find the ace. So, and remember, whenever you make a mistake, no big deal, just pull the code away. So, try to find me for 5 seconds. Now let's make it a little bigger so you guys can see. So when I click play, boom, the ace moves to the bottom and says, try to find me for 5 seconds, and then the little bubble goes away. So now what do we want to happen? Well, after the ace finishes saying that for 5 seconds, I want the ace to flip over. But the problem is right now, for this ace actor card, if you look and click on this little running man, the only picture I have for this card is the ace. So that's the only thing it can look like right now. To make it look like something else, we'd have to add a costume. So click on the add costume button and boom. If you search card, you'll see that there's this card back blue right there. Let's click on that. So now look, right now look, it looks like the back of this blue card, or I could click to make it look like the ace of clubs again. So let's add some code here so that after 5 seconds, we flip the costume from being the ace to being the back of the card. And you can do that by this piece of code right here. Switch to costume blank. If we click this, you see that you can switch from cards clubs A to card back blue. So we'll click that. And now watch what happens when we click go. So we click play. The card again says try to find me, but then look, after 5 seconds, it flips and now it's the back of the card, just like we wanted it. So congratulations, now you have the ace saying try to find me after 5 seconds, and then it flips over, which is exactly what we wanted to do in this part of the lesson.